Alrighty, I wanted to show you this switch pod setup that has all the wiring already done on the back of it. You've got to supply power to your things, and then you've got to hook a couple things up to power and ground. But it's got everything. It's got a 12-volt plug. It's got USB plugs. It's got a voltmeter, and then 4 switches on the bottom. This is perfect for the back of an overland rig, the back of a teardrop trailer, something like that, where you have some space and you want to use something that's really clean like this. Comes with screws to put it on, comes with stickers to put on the buttons. These are 2 packs of stickers here. Clear, we got a white one and a black one. And then we have some instructions here that show you the wiring and stuff like that that's actually usable. So really nice product, and definitely excited to put this in and get this set up in my rig.